elementary teachers want to grow a food garden with your class but felt it's too hard, I've got good news because I've figured it out for you. Here's why it can seem impossible. Not enough money, don't know how, no time, no garden space, worried about summer, worried about organizing people, committees, volunteers, clubs, etc. Or not enough teaching material that relates to it. But what if I said I could show you how to do it without becoming a gardening expert, with very little money, during your class, indoors, just you and your students, and you'll get amazing results and grow an impressive garden. And I've got you covered with the educational material every single month. Would you give it a try? It may sound too good to be true, but it's not. Growing food with your class is much simpler than you think if you follow the right guidance and materials. I know that because I've done it for a decade full time with thousands of students and hundreds of teachers. I'm here to make it practical, easy, and fun for you and your class. Ready to take the leap? Go join the Oasis Teachers membership as a founding member before I close the doors on the October 31st. Can't wait to get to know you in the club.